Today, we will take you on a journey through 6 seasons of Bangladesh. Each season brings its own beauty, food, and fun. So let's begin our journey with grade 1.
Oh, the summer is so hot and the sun shines strongly and the days feel long. We love to eat sweet mango, juicy watermelon and drink cool water. We wear cotton clothes to stay comfortable. Even though it's hot, summer gives us delicious food.
The rainy season has lots of clouds and gentle rain. Sometimes it rains the whole day and water fills the river. Farmers are happy because the rain helps their crop grow. We use umbrellas, wear raincoats and splash in puddles. Rain is very important for living things.
Autumn comes with blue sky and white clouds that look like cotton. The air feels fresh and the weather is nice. The trees start to lose their leaves and the grounds look colorful. Autumn is the peaceful season where everything feels calm.
Late autumn. Late autumn is the season of harvest. Farmer cuts golden paddy from the field. We eat fresh rice, vegetables. The mornings are little foggy and air feels cooler. It is a season of plenty and thankfulness.
Winter is so cold. We wear warm clothes like sweaters, mufflers. People love to sit in the sunshine in the morning. The nights are chilly, but families sit together and enjoy.
Spring. Spring is called king of season. The weather is neither too hot nor too cold. It makes just right. Flower blooms everywhere. Butterfly dancing. Spring is a season of beauty and happiness.
Mashallah, we have learned about 6 seasons. Summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter, spring. Each season comes with its own gift and beauty.
লন্ডন স্কুল অফ ইংলিশ জীবনের জন্য শিক্ষা।